Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, do it now. So today I'm going to show you one special app. This is nothing but SMS backup and restore app, but this is most important app for everyone. So using this app you can backup your SMS and also restore this your SMS. So let's start. For this app you need to go to Google Play Store. This is a free app, so just go to Google Play Store, then type SMS backup and restore. Here you can see the SMS backup and restore app icon. So just select the SMS backup and restore. You can find many types of SMS backup and restore app. I recommend using this app. This is a really nice app. Here you can see the developer company name, Tech Private Limited. Here you can see some short description of this app. The rating is really nice, 4.5. Here is some short review about this app. So let's install this app. This is 5.31 MB, really small but really effective app. As you can see, I have only two SMS. So waiting for install the app. Okay, I think install process finished. Here you can see SMS backup and restore icon. Okay, here is the first view of this app. It is started. So set up a backup. Okay, here you can see two SMS showing, and you can also backup your phone call. So I am using SMS backup only. Okay, next, and here you can see where you want to store your backup. You can store your backup at Google Play Store, Dropbox, and in your phone. So for this tutorial I am showing only my phone, so selecting. Okay, here you can see backup restore location. You can select a default backup location, or you can select your own backup folder. So you can just select. I am selecting default. So okay, next, have some recommendation. Okay, are you sure you want to create a local backup only? Yeah, you can select a daily, weekly, and hourly backup. I select weekly. Here is the time, 12 AM. So backup now. It's backup. Here is the view. Here is my backup file, XML file. So you want to show its work or not. Okay, just delete my SMS. So here is the no conversation. Again I open SMS backup and restore app. So at the top just select the restore. So here you can see some option. You can restore from local backup, Google and Dropbox. So I restore from local backup location. It's open. Here is showing my backup. Just select restore. Okay, yeah, use SMS backup and restore. Okay, yes. So here is to backup complete. Okay, again I am going to my SMS. Here you can see to SMS backup is perfectly restored. So using these steps you can easily get backup and restore your app. So hope you understand and like this app. If so, just give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe for more upcoming video of this channel. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.